Llama Llama Meets the Babysitter by Dewdney. Llama Llama having toast. Llama loves this meal the most. The start of every happy day. Mama has some things to say. I have something new to talk about. Tonight I will be going out. Gram can't come as normal, but I have a plan you'll like a lot. Just as always, we'll have dinner, and then you'll have a babysitter. Someone to be here while I'm gone. Don't worry, dear, it won't be long. A baby what? That's not the same. Does this sitter have a name? You've met Molly. She's fun and kind. Once she gets here, you won't mind. We're not the same, yes, that's true, but she will take good care of you. Will she want to ride my bike? Will she read the books I like? Will she play my favorite games? Will she even know my name? Of course she knows you, Llama dear. You'll have fun while I'm not here. Will she know to make my snack? And what if you do not come back? Llama, Llama, you'll be fine. Molly does this all the time. No need to fret, no need to moan. Of course I will be coming home. Llama Llama feeling sad. Llama getting oh so mad. Llama's brain starts to fizz. Who does this sitter think she is? I won't be nice. I won't have fun. Instead, I will run, run, run. The doorbell rings. Now she's here. Come say hello, Llama dear. Llama peeks around the door. Wait, here's someone he's seen before. I know you. You scoop ice cream. Yes, I'm Molly. Llama beams. What's in the bag? I've brought samples. Vanilla, chocolate, and pineapple. Mama Llama blows a kiss. I think you both are fine with this. Mama's gone now out the door. Treats with Molly and so much more. Play in the yard, jump up and down, kick the ball, and run around. Ice cream, reading, hide and seek. Llama could do this all week. Time to brush and off to bed. Fluff the pillow for Llama's head. Molly and Mama are not the same, but Llama's glad this sitter came. Almost asleep and not alone. Molly's here. Mama's almost home. Light from the door, just a crack. Mama Llama, you came back. Little Llama, I told you so. Now it's Molly's turn to go. Okay, Mama, time to sleep. Can Molly come again next week?